Today we're gonna be in best dressed. I just got a jammogram, but it only said what's wrong. I don't have a clue what is wrong. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna be okay. So let me see. So this is my normal character. Don't worry, I'm not actually changing my character in real life. It's just a game where you earn gems. Now, see this one down. Look at her shoes. Elf helmet. Okay, so you just look. So these are some of the clothes. Now you can't really see any of these colors. That one there is red. The one above is red again. Then brown, then another brown, and brown. And along here it's just until purple. You can't see properly, can you? Not on my camera, you can't anyway. But one thing's gonna come on in a minute. So I broke my finger last night. Just gotta put in one of these bandages. Wow. Look at that. There's a really cool design I like. And you got rid of that. Your pattern. The round's about to be over, but it doesn't matter because I'm only practicing. Okay, it's over. It was probably the most Christmassy there. Because I can see a lot of people wanting for that. Just gotta get my viewing. Never mind. The strongest. The strongest? It's gonna be hard. Maybe that there. Chest plate. Or what do you think about the... No. I want that. Sort by back. Okay, let's look at the legs, see what there is. Let's put this legendary glove on. Look at that, guys. You might not have seen clearly. All these guys are thinking they're strong, so let's have a seat. I'm done now. So vote for the one you think. Oh, God. What the hell? The strongest on here is probably going to have to be you. Didn't have enough time to decide, so I just went for this one. It was close between that one, but that one had a white on it. So. No. Fine. Not fine. So let's see. Did I come second? Yes, I came second. You can hardly see me, but I'm gone. You can see there? It says Gorgeous Magic Scout. My favorite. Of course it's me. Lol. Like, ooh, it's the cutest. I bet I can do this. Gotta turn myself white. Gotta turn myself white to make me look the cutest. Come on. Oh, I'll have to leave that red. Has it froze or something? No. Yeah, right. The cutest. I'm probably gonna have to put that monkey hat on. That's cute. How many fools can cute? Sorry about my rubbish singing, y'all. No offense to you that can't sing. Of course, because I can't sing either. I want an XI. Oh my god. The cutest on here. I am down there. Let's see what other people have done. Ooh. Oh no. I'm only going to vote for a member. I don't know. I'm not being mean or anything, but I like members. my hand's gonna all floppy. I've got a cast on it, but on my wrist, but I can't show that. Only joking. See that? I voted for that one, but I am that one. So he can't vote for me. Well, he could, but I should come third. Yeah, there I am. Down with all the third people. Me. And I only got 25 gems from it. So let's have a see. The sleepiest. Okay. God, my zoom keeps going out. I hate it. Stop it, you zoom. Right, you've made it worse for the guys now. The guys can't see a thing. And I don't want them to concentrate their eyes right on me, so... And here comes all my dogs. Can I just finish this video? I'm finishing this video. Oh my goodness. I'm finishing my video. Sleep, yes. Of course it's a member animal. Ugh. 75 at least. That's what we want. So let's see. We came first. So guys, that will have to be the end of this video. See you later. And